is the most consumed drink after water, and it is widely enjoyed all over the world. This aromatic drink is usually made from the leaves of Camellia sinensis, which is a kind of evergreen plant originating in Asia. Consuming tea, in general, has been linked with numerous health benefits, including preventing red blood cells from getting damaged and reducing the risk of various heart diseases. Some studies have been associating tea drinking with weight loss and the reduction of belly fat. Certain types of tea have been found to be more effective than other types in achieving this. 1. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most famous types of teas, and it's linked to various health benefits. It is also one of the most effective teas when it comes to weight loss. This is because green tea extract is extremely high in catechins, which are natural antioxidants that can improve your metabolism and increase the burning of fat, especially in the belly area. It also contains bioactive substances like caffeine and DGCG, which can have powerful effects on your metabolism. Furthermore, the substances in green tea increase the levels of hormones that are responsible for fat burning in our system, and they release more fat into the bloodstream, making it available as energy.